Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm back here with another ROM review. This time I'm going to be reviewing the Synergy ROM from the developers. This is Synergy Supersonic, the latest zip for that one, and that it was updated the 7th, which is today. And yeah, so that would be this ROM, and there are several different. It's kind of a all-star developers type of a ROM. We have Min, you have Virus, you have a few other developers all working on this one ROM to try to make the best ROM, pretty much 2.1 ROM, sense-based ROM out there, and they have done a really good job on it because it's very clean, fairly stock, and similar to the McG ROM that I reviewed. Actually really close to it. Not much of a difference between the two. You just kind of have to pick which one's more stable. For me, they both feel about the same. They both have HTC Hub. They both have the weather application working. So here's some of the apps that are involved with it. It comes with Astro File Manager. It comes with downloads, DSP, flashlight. Comes with Facebook. HTC Hub, our internet is working. We have Mirror, all the standard stuff. It comes with Polaris Office. I think they both come with Polaris Office. It has the Synergy Updater, but I was reading on the website that it may not be working just yet. There probably some bugs and quirks with it. Super user, spare parts. I just recently downloaded SmartBench Rosy settings, which is cool. So you can change your Rosy, the one on the right, to whichever you want it to be. I normally like to keep it as it is because the picture in it is the picture of our development or our personalization. So it's probably better if you just leave it that way. And I'm gonna worry about that later because I can't seem to find it. But yeah, so you have your Rosy setting. You have your Wi-Fi hotspot, which has been hacked, and this is the stock Wi-Fi hotspot. It does not work with 4G. 4G does work for the ROM, but the hotspot does not work with 4G. The weather app also works. So our weather app works just great. No problems at all with it. Very nice. And we also have, which is different from McG, is our weather background. Our live wallpaper for weather is working, but it just doesn't work as clean as it probably should. As you can see, it kind of has a little bit of a delay kind of a deal. So not a smooth transition for that one. Only reason why I'm using it is because I haven't really checked out the other ones that are available. And yeah, so we have all that stuff. Landscape is not supported in this, but I'm going to go ahead and try and use a landscape from McG's ROM and see if that'll work with this ROM. I'm going to do an Android backup before I do any of that, because just in case it gets sent to me into a boot loop, I'm able to go back to a previous version of it. And yeah, so everything's working good. No problems at all in the last 4 hours that I've been using it. Very good, stable ROM. Everything works on it. The camera works just great. It is a Sense 3.0 camera. 720p works just great. The 8 megapixel camera works fine. So yeah, very stable running ROM. This is what it looks like. If you guys are interested in seeing anything else, go ahead and let me know. I'm going to show you guys the about phone before I leave, just so you guys can see what you guys are working with. We have the Android 2.3.3, HTC Sense version 2.1, as I said earlier. That's the software number. Let's go ahead and take a look at our PRI is 2.15.003, and our kernel is there. I updated the kernel to the latest version, and you can probably find it on the XDA website, and I'll see if I can put a link in the info section of the latest kernel. Baseband version build. This is a nightly. but it's a very stable nightly, so it's awesome. So yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. Everything else pretty much works great. I'll see if I can update you guys on the landscape mode, but even without landscape mode, this ROM is very stable, very nice. So go ahead and comment and rate anything you guys wanted to see that I didn't show. Go ahead and leave me a comment, and I'll go ahead and see if I can do it. Alright guys, thank you, subscribe, talk to you later.